Hey guys, Scott with Friendly Hobbies here to show you the new Arrma Infraction, just released today. Their new 7th scale street bash on 6 cell. All right, let's take a look. Nice Arrma tool set, extra pinion gear. All right, this guy is Arrma's first 7th scale, runs on their typical 6 cell BLX power system. Extra structural support. They actually give you rear diffusers and a front splitter right out of the box on this guy. Fully waterproof electronics bay. It's their first all-wheel drive speed run 7th scale truck. Absolutely beautiful. This thing does 80 miles an hour right out of the box. Gorgeous. Runs on the new Spectrum IC5 connectors, which work both with regular EC5 as well as the new Spectrum Smart system. They give you a jumper so you can run a single 4 or 2 3s for the full 6 cell power. Also has aluminum chassis plate this time, fully aluminum big bore shocks, adjustable body mounts right out of the box, and they actually gave it 2 battery trays for balance this time instead of the single stack that you usually see with Arrma. This is a really killer design. They did a great job with this setup. Nice hardened steel center drive system, really well set up. We've got them here at Friendly Hobbies, day 1 release. Come down, check it out. We've got them ready for you.
While you're here, make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram for all the latest news from Friendly Hobbies.